5 rules for a successful affiliate marketing. Starting with the first one is be laser focused. When you are focused on one specific thing, I'm not talking about a niche, I'm talking a specific product in a niche. That product, make it like it is your own, because people know when you are just wanting it for the money, and that's not good for a long-term strategy. And if you are going for a fast, easy way to make money, I will tell you right now, it may work. You can make Facebook ads in different platforms, but it will work for a short term, and most likely your business that you're building with your affiliate will be ruined. And also, when you are being laser focused, you are not only promoting your thing that you are selling, you are promoting the other company that you are having a partnership with. So be laser focused. Don't be selling different 5 products when you start making different 5 funnels. And going to number 2, be passionate about your niche or product. Because if you are not passionate, after a few months, even weeks, you will get tired of the thing and then you will just quit. But if you are passionate about the thing that you are doing, most of the time you will be excited because there's like a vision and passion for doing that thing. So be passionate about your product or your niche. Just don't go for the money. It's not worth it. It may worth it for like a short while, but like affiliate marketing is like a long-term plan, and also it can be like a passive income. We can talk like about that like for hours, but just be passionate. And when you are being passionate, you will get bored a little bit, but most likely you are not going to be quitting. So, number 3 is be careful about your product and your promotion selection. Like, carefully research your product, your promotion thing. When you do research, it will show. Even if you're not showing your face or anything, it would show when you are promoting that thing. So do careful research, select a amazing product or amazing thing that you're going to be promoting with affiliate marketing, and promote it well, okay? And going to number 4, put your customers above your own needs, okay? Put your customers before your personal opinion, because, or like customer, subscribers, audience, they are the important person in the game, okay? Like, our opinion really doesn't matter, because we only came here to solve a problem and go home, okay? I mean, you can do affiliate marketing at home. Well, you are doing it at home, but like, do the thing and leave. That's the entire thing. So you need to satisfy your subscribers, your customers, your audience, and put them above anything or your needs, okay? It is very hard, but I mean, we gotta do it, right? Business owners, we gotta like put our customers before us, because they are who's going to be buying the product. Okay, let's go to number 5 is learn, improve, move on. Easy. Learn, improve, move on. I think you just like need to memorize that, and I think will easy. So learn the skills, the things, learn about the niche, okay? And then improve. I want you to improve. If you don't learn, you'll be left behind. If you don't improve, you'll be left behind. As Okay, let me tell you my story. So like 6 months ago, I wasn't learning as much I should have learned and improved, right? And people was leaving me behind on my market, and so I had to catch up, do more research. So you need to learn, improve, and move on. So I learned and I improved on the thing that I learned with it, and then I moved on to the next step. And that is number 5. Learn, improve. Anyways, today topic about affiliate marketing, being successful about affiliate marketing in 2022, 2023. So thank you for listening to today's episode. I'm trying to make this episode like longer, but I do not know how do I make this longer and enjoyable, because I need to grab your attention, but that's not really important. So thank you for listening, and I will see you next Friday.